Manitoba's best food trucks are battling for the crown this weekend only at Assiniboia Downs. There's over 35 food trucks here and every type of food you can imagine. Whether you're into sweet or savory, there's definitely something here for you, or why not try it all? One thing's for sure though, you're gonna want to make sure you come hungry. Everything from burgers to tacos and poutines and crazy desserts, every truck here is battling for your vote to win best food truck. On top of all the amazing food, there's also live music, a tattoo pop-up, and tons of activities for the whole family. Food Truck Battles is happening now, May 23rd until 11 p.m. and May 24th from 11 to 9 p.m. So if you're in Manitoba this weekend, this is the place to be. Who will win your vote and be crowned Manitoba's best food truck?